Yes, begin. English senior second paper first condensation year August 2014. Begin. Condensation. Speaking on the President's address in the Lok Sabha, an honorable member said, Mr. Deputy Speaker, Sir, I thank you for giving me an opportunity to speak on the President's address. I would like to submit a few points in support of the notion of thanks for the address. I have been listening to the discussion on it for the past 2 or 3 days, and I have also heard the views expressed today by some members of the opposition. The President has given us an idea of the work done during the last 4 years and has expressed his happiness about the achievements made during the last year. At the same time, he has also said that there are big problems for us next year. I am grateful to the President for all that he has said. Before making my submission, I would like to refer to 2 points. The first is that this year we are going to celebrate the Nehru centenary. The second is that this is the last year of the seventh 5-year plan. In this context, I think that special attention should be paid to the some points made by the President. We are going to enter into the eighth 5-year plan soon, and we are trying our best to improve the welfare of the people. For this purpose, it is necessary to give special attention to the matters placed before the country by the President. It is unfortunate that the opposition has criticized it on the ground that there are some weak points in it. But we must remember certain things. I would like to point out that there has been continuous drought throughout the country for 4 years. But in spite of it, we have done well. We may be proud that we have been able to make steady progress as a result of the efforts of our farmers, workers, and agricultural scientists. In view of this, we are today recognized as one among providers and not among beggars. This is a great achievement of which we may be proud. As we are aware, we are having a good harvest. We also know that the rate of growth in the country is going up. Now I come to the next point. The President has mentioned about electoral reforms in his address. As we know, the age for voting in elections has been lowered to 18. We may be glad to note that this has given the youth of the country an opportunity to participate in the political process. This is a thing which should be welcomed by all of us. Then I would like to bring to the notice of the House that the country's economists have accepted the last 10 years as the best decade for the country from the economic point of view. It should be remembered that even the World Bank has acknowledged it. In spite of all this, I do not know why the opposition ignores our economic achievements. I would request them to face facts and see everything from the democratic point of view. I appeal to them to turn their attention to the positive side of the economic scene. In this connection, I would like to point out that it is clear from the past and present trends of our economy that there has been a steady improvement in the industrial sector, and this is reflected in the budget also. If I get an opportunity to speak on the general and railway budgets. I will speak on this matter. With these words, I conclude my speech. Next elaboration, August 2014. Get ready. Begin. 1. Sealed tenders are invited by the Sports Authority of India Training Center, Salem, from reputed caterers for providing catering service to 60 sports trainees residing at Mahatma Gandhi Stadium, Salem. Tender documents can be obtained from the above office on payment of Rs 500 up to 5 p.m. on 20th October 2012. Earnest money deposit required is Rs 5,000. Demand draft may be sent in favor of the officer in charge, Sports Authority of India, Salem. Filled up tenderers should be submitted not later than 3 p.m. on 21st October. They will be opened at 4 p.m. on the same day in the presence of tenderers or their authorized representatives. Sports Authority of India has the right to accept or reject any tender without giving any reason therefor. Draft tender notice to be issued by the officer in charge. 2. Applications are invited for the post of Vice Principal, Rajkot Besant School, Varanasi. The school is affiliated to the Central Board of Secondary Education. The applicant must have a master's degree. He should have at least 10 years teaching experience. He should be between 40 and 50 years of age. Salary is negotiable between Rs 20,000 and Rs 25,000 per mention. Free family accommodation on the campus will be provided. Free meals and free education of 2 children in the school will be provided. There will be also the usual benefits of Provident Fund, gratuity, etc. All applications should reach the manager, Rajkot Besant School, Varanasi on or before 10th October 2012. Draft advertisement. 3. The 4th Annual General Meeting of the shareholders of the Tamil Nadu Poultry Development Corporation Limited, Chennai, will be held in its registered office on Anna Salai, Chennai at 12 noon on 25th July 1977 to transact the following business, namely to adopt the director's report and the audited balance sheet of the corporation as on 31st March 1975 and the profit and loss account for the period ended that date, and to approve the change of name of the corporation as Tamil Nadu Poultry and Meat Industries Corporation Limited. Draft notice of meeting to be issued by the Secretary of the company. 4. A boy studying in English 8th standard in a private school was going to school on his bicycle in Egmore. He fell off the bike and came under the wheels of a concrete mixer that was being towed by a mini lorry. As a result, he suffered head injury and died on the spot. According to the principal of the school, the boy's school bag was caught in a hook of the truck, which pulled him down. Driver of mini lorry arrested and remanded to judicial custody. Draft an eyewitness account of the accident.